YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. This is my share for the Christmas All Year 2025 that I'm hosting. This collaboration is all about Christmas and getting a jump start on your Christmas crafting. So when that time rolls around, you will already be done with all of your Christmas crafting. This is a year-long collaboration. We will be coming on every second Sunday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and that's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will be sharing with all of you what we create. So if you would like to play along, you may do so. All you have to do is just post your video and use the hashtag. I will leave it in the screen so that we can see what you create. So I'm not going to hold you long. There are quite a few participants in this collaboration. Please check down in the description box. There will be a link to everyone that is participating in this collaboration. Before I share my projects that I use to create my project, don't forget to like the video if you like what you see, and also subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. All right, you guys, let's get started. Here are the products that I use to put together my project. This is an embossing folder by Laura Ballora of these knitted hearts. This is really a beautiful embossing folder. I pulled out my Slimline compendium dies by Anna Griffin. I pulled out this die that I have never used that's been in my stash. This is also by Anna Griffin, and this is called All Boxed In Dies. A really nice die set, and you can see the example here. This is a new die that I have in my stash. I picked this die set up during the all of the Christmas sales that they had, and this is called Dancing Nutcracker Fritz, and this is by Spellbinders. This is a really cute die set, and I picked it up for a really good price. And lastly, the paper collection, an oldie but goodie that I played with, is Prima Santa Baby by Frank Garcia. And this is my project. You can see that beautiful Nutcracker showcased on the front of the box here. So I used some ephemera piece from the Santa Baby collection and put this banner here at the top. I also pulled out some of the chipboard pieces from that collection that says Bright, as well as the 25. And just check out that beautiful Nutcracker. This was a labor of love. There are a lot of pieces in that die set, but once you get it all put together, it is absolutely beautiful. I love the die set. As you can see here, I went with the soft pastel colors. On this image, I have the Nutcracker with the drum. But it is so cute, you guys. I love this Nutcracker. It is so cute. All right, so I tied it off with some ribbon here because I wanted to make sure that it stayed closed. And let me untie it, and I will share with you the card. So it unties like that, and it opens like this. And I used some of the paper in the inside of the box, as well as another ephemera piece here. And then you can see the pocket here. I decided to leave it in this mint color. Put this 25 ephemera piece on the front of the pocket. And then inside you will see my beautiful Slimline card. And it matches the Nutcracker on the front of the box. What I did, I basically just alternated the colors for the Nutcracker for the card. So you can see the difference there. I just alternated everything. And I decided to put the Nutcracker on top of the drum here. And you guys, it turned out so cute. I used some gemstones here on the hat or the crown. And I also used a gem piece here in the center of this peppermint candy. But you guys, this is beautiful. I love this Nutcracker. So cute. It doesn't need a whole lot. You can see how tall when you put the Nutcracker on top of that drum. It is very tall. So that is really, really cute. Now you can create this nutcracker and make it shorter. But since I was using the slimline dies, I wanted to make sure, it's really tall. This is beautiful, you guys. I love it. So I went with the mirror gold as a layer, and then you can see that pretty mint color. And then I used the print here from the Santa Baby collection. I used the Jolly chipboard piece there, and then I put another chipboard piece down here that says Jolly and Merry of the heart there. And then the inside, I hadn't included a sentiment or anything in the inside because I don't know who will be receiving the card yet. And then on the back, I showcased the embossing folder with some gold mirror card, and you can see how beautiful that embossing folder is. And then I included my sticker here on the back. So this is a beautiful card with the box to go with it, and a great jump start to my Christmas crafting. So that is my share for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to get in your craft room and start your Christmas crafting. I hope you would also play along with all of us by using the hashtag. And make sure you check out all of the ladies participating today. Get you a fresh cup of coffee and sit back on this Sunday morning and enjoy all of the Christmas crafty videos for today. Don't forget to like the video, and until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye!